here we are changing all the front suspension bushes and arms. So we got all the links, some are already on the car. We're gonna service the gearbox, 7 liters of gearbox oil, seals, filters, sensors, and I've got the sleeves as well, so valves as well. So these are all ready. Just need to drop the Megatronics down. Front drive shafts, and we are going to drop that down. So we started working on it. This is absolutely bonkers. Most of the rotten, perished rubbers and stuff like that. So we've got fresh ones up here. Just doing this one. It's just been a pain at the moment, trying to get that up. But yeah, been taking quite a few bits off. Hopefully it will be ready. Keep you guys posted with how we do the gearbox service. Well, I like the looks of that. So we're going to change the drive shafts. We've got new ones there, brand new shiny arms and bushes. Yeah, and then next thing I want to do is change the gearbox seal, inside seal there, and dropped all of this down the gearbox, and give that, and drop the pan down, empty out, and drop the gear Megatronics, change the sleeves over, clean the solenoids. Hopefully should be a much smoother drive and gear change. All done, all nice and fresh. New bushes, arms. Let's go to the other side. Maybe it's too bright this way. Fresh and shiny. Drive shafts, everything. Service gearbox. All sorted. And she is good to go. Well pleased with that. Sorry I didn't get to commentate much. I thought I'll just kind of show you how much work and what you can be doing. It's just more of a graphic video rather than trying to say what the issue was. I had a bit of issues with my drive shaft. It was making a bit of a sound. So I thought, I bought all these suspension arms and stuff like that. So I thought I'd just get that changed at the same time. Just since I've done so much to the car. So yeah, that's all done. No noises. So anyway, just to let you know, that gearbox, just a piece of advice. If you're servicing your gearbox, yes, you need 7 liters. That's what BMW recommends. If you're dropping the Megatronics, just to keep in mind, it's not 7 liters that you're gonna need. You need at least about 8.5, 9 liters, just to be on the safe side, because we went through all 7, and I think we could do with a litre and a half, maybe even 2 liters more. So I'm just going to top it up a bit later on. So just